Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an educational website on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the website section next to the prints button and go to the fifth option, the education website. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphical elements, for example, shapes, stickers, charts, and more. If you want to add the text to your project, just click to the big T letter and you can add text, and you can search different style. And if you want to draft to your project, just click to the draft button and you can select color and more artist tools. If you go to the design section, you can find different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select a template and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the blue square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move this and edit the size. If you want to change the picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button and just select another picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. New, if you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the open source text style name button, and here you can choose outer text style and font type. Just select type and click that. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon, and in the animate section next to the effects button, you can add different animation to the text. And in the effects section, you can add different effects, for example, shadows and different shapes format. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.